Hello, and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today is March 21st, 2025. We're going to analyze the QQQ, looking at both recent news and the current chart data. Recent news indicates a weaker start for the Dow, S&P 500, and Nasdaq, partly due to slumping shares of FedEx and Nike. FedEx lowered its earnings forecast, citing economic uncertainty, and Nike forecasted declining sales due to new tariffs and geopolitical concerns. Let's see how this translates to the charts. Looking at the daily chart, we see a broad overview of QQQ's performance over the past year or so. We observe a general uptrend, though punctuated by pullbacks and periods of consolidation. The most recent candles suggest a possible pullback. We'll want to examine this more closely on shorter time frames. Let's narrow in on the past few months to analyze recent price action. Now, focusing on the 1-hour chart, the picture becomes clearer. We can identify potential support around the 470 to 475 level, where price has previously bounced. Resistance appears to be forming near the 485 level. The recent price action shows increased volatility, potentially reflecting the uncertainty caused by the news from FedEx and Nike. If the price breaks below 470, a bearish scenario could unfold in the short term. To get an even closer look at what's been happening today, let's examine the 15-minute chart. We see a choppy pattern, with the price fluctuating within a relatively tight range. There was a sharp drop earlier, corresponding to the opening bell and potential market reactions to the negative news. It's testing the support, but is showing potential to bounce again. If it can't hold, we may see prices fall further before the end of the day. Looking at the big picture, the longer-term uptrend suggests a bullish bias. However, the negative news and recent price action warrant caution. Key price levels to watch are 470 as strong support and 485 as resistance. If the price breaks above 485 and sustains, a bullish trend is likely to continue. Conversely, a break below 470 could signal a deeper correction. Keep an eye out for news regarding economic forecasts and any policy decisions from the Federal Reserve. These could significantly impact market sentiment. Also, the partnership that was announced by Nasdaq and Newham on March 18th could suggest an acceleration in the growth of the financial sector in Texas. We'll want to monitor the sector's performance. In summary, we've analyzed the QQQ's recent performance in light of current news events. The key levels to watch are 470 for support and 485 for resistance. A break above 485 would reinforce a bullish outlook, 60% chance, while a break below 470 would increase the likelihood of a bearish scenario, 40% chance. Keep in mind that the market is always uncertain. This analysis provides a framework for making informed decisions, but it's not a guarantee of future outcomes. Thanks for watching Explain the Charts, and until next time, trade safe.